Master shots and already death on my enemies. Say your breath, don't give a fuck what you telling me. Catch them lacking, now that boy is an entity. Purpose fell out to your body and energy, yeah. Bullet rain don't hit you, then I send a missile. But why is you loving when I'm kidding with you? Guess you probably took me for a different nigga. Said that I would spare you, but I didn't, nigga. Tell me I'm out of my mind. If I want you dead, I take it, so don't waste no time. They say that I'm out of line. I don't give a damn, I still smash, I'ma take your life. Put me your trust in the issue. Gun to his face so the bullets won't miss you, ayy. Drink to the point like a pistol. You on a shirt like some merch, we kill you, ayy. Don't hand me your baby, I'll drop that little nigga. It's saying no morning, bitch, why is you yelling? Your makeup look shitty, you musty, I smell it. You fucked on my bro, cause you thought I'd be jealous. To be honest, got no regard for a human. Suck my dick and shut the fuck up, cause you stupid. Conversation benefit nothing, it's useless. Talking tough, don't say you gon' kill me, just do it.
She don't fuck with her boyfriend, he ballin' in D-League. She say my dick game is elite. She go out of her way every day just to see me. I think that the sex got her tweaking. If I call up her phone for the cheat, she like me. Her only goal is to please me. Her man writing her letters, his text get the delete. That's why his iMessage gone.
His whole life he ended, boy, call him a medic. I blow off his arm like he flex with prosthetics. My shooters athletic, they hop in your fences. That strap chill a hole in his face like the dentist. I'm Dennis the menace, but Carly no caulking. That Blake for him over his organs exposed. And I'm laughing about it outside of his home. And his bitch grip my dick like a brand new was stolen. Mass destruction, I raid death on my enemies. Say your breath, don't give a fuck what you telling me. Catch him lacking, now that boy is an entity. Purpose sell out, try your body and energy. Yeah, bullet rain don't hit you, then I send a missile. Boy, is you laughing when ain't kidding with you? Guess he probably took me for a different nigga. Said that I would spare you, but I didn't, nigga. Call me, I'm out of my mind. If I want you dead, I take hands, so don't waste no time. They say that I'm out of line. I don't give a damn, I still smash, I'ma take your life. Fully your trust in the issue. Gun to his face, so the bullets won't miss you, ayy. Trust it up like a pistol, your name on the shot like some muscle, we kill you, ayy.
And I don't swim, wakes up a zombie, tsunami is on and I'm high. It's at the top, I just want me a couple of joints and a nigga is totally fried. Big hoes in my bed and they giving me neck and they look like the bitches from Totally Spot. You don't want smoke cause my bitches they shoot and you and your crew could like totally die. Hey, freestyle, midnight, hey, on some real shit, y'all better run this song the fuck up. Like, I'm really not playing. Like, I'm really tired of y'all promoting these lame ass niggas when you know me and my gang started all this shit, so show some fucking respect.